Hollywood mourns the loss of Val Kilmer. Hollywood is in mourning as we bid farewell to the legendary Val Kilmer, who passed away on April 1st, 2025, at the age of 65. But first, make sure to subscribe to Celebrity News Online for more updates on your favorite celebrities. From soaring as Iceman in Top Gun to embodying Jim Morrison in The Doors, Kilmer's performances captivated audiences worldwide. Director Francis Ford Coppola hailed him as the most talented actor when in his high school, and that talent only grew greater throughout his life. Co-star Nicolas Cage remembered him as a genius actor, stating, "He should have won the Oscar for The Doors." Rest in peace, Val Kilmer. Your legacy endures. For more heartfelt tributes and celebrity news, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.